Fashion. Fashion is the form of clothing, accessories. It can be used by everyone. It is related to culture. For example, we have warm clothes in Swedish fashion and we have thin clothes in African fashion. Fashion is a source of looking better and attractive. In other words, fashion is a language of dressing up. Designers publicize their ideas at fashion shows, which are immediately aired all over the world. It is a form of expressing without the use of words. Good morning, students. I welcome you to today's GK virtual class. But today we are going to do page number 53 of your book. It is related to world of fashion. It comes under the topic of art and culture. But you all know that fashion is part of our life. Fashion is a language of dressing up. Let's do this. Before starting the topic, let's see the learning outcomes of this topic. Students, after the completion of this topic, you will be able to identify the names of different fashion icons from various parts of the world. You all know, you will be able to know some people who made a particular fashion popular. You will be able to get the information how they express themselves by dressing up in a special way. The first one, which member of a European royal family inspired by a particular hairstyle during the 1980s? That hairstyle was adopted by Lady Diana, and her hairstyle was popular and was used by so many ladies after. Second one is, which Indian leader popularized a jacket named after him? It is Jawaharlal Nehru. That Nehru coat is popular. Every Nehru jacket as well as Nehru coat is popular among men. Third one, name the first supermodel to have her figure modeled in wax at Madame Tussauds Museum in London. It is Naomi Campbell. Afterwards, many wax statues of many film stars are made. Fourth one, in whose region there occurred a complete revolution in dresses? It is Queen Elizabeth. She gave a new style to all the women in the world related to the dresses. Which Bollywood star popularized the metal belt? It is Amir Khan. He used metal belt in many films. Afterwards, it was popularized among the male members. Sixth one is, which lady, first lady of United States, popularized outside sunglasses in 1960s? It is Jacqueline Kennedy. She popularized that, and even the glasses were oversized. They cover the whole face, and it is a fashion these days too. Which article of clothing takes its origin from the Sanskrit word mantra, meaning counselor? It is Mandarin collar. It's one, which actress popularized tailored blazers, pleated trousers, and loafers? It is Audrey Hepburn. She popularized the loafers, girls' loafers with the suits. Told you kids, by the end of this video you will be able to identify the names of different fashion icons from various parts of the world. Now I have one question for you to answer. You have to tell me which fashion house has a horse as a logo.